Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when you try to extract your file, but unfortunately, your file or the folder's always killed or deleted by Windows Defender after you extract it. So now, let's fix this problem. Go to your search bar and search for Windows Security. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Setting. Then turn off Real-Time Protection. After that, go to Extract your file again. Okay, now you can extract your file and install your software on your computer or your laptop without annoyance. But remember one thing. The Windows security warning you about the installing of any files. So it means that files might be virus. So you have to responsible of your work after you do this method. And if you don't have any others protection software, then after you finished your installation, then come to turn this option on as normal, because it can protect your computer or your laptop and keep your computer safe. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with our new video. Thanks and bye for now.